Welcome to this professional training module on supporting high school students with profound blindness. These students have complete vision loss and rely fully on assistive technologies, orientation and mobility support, and structured guidance for all academic, social, and daily routines. Our focus is on independence, safety, participation, and emotional well-being. Students with profound blindness cannot access any visual material and rely entirely on tactile or auditory input. Require structured guidance for orientation, navigation, and classroom transitions. Depend on assistive technology such as braille devices, screen readers, or voice output tools. Need explicit instruction for all new environments or routines. Benefit from highly individualized support for learning and social participation. Key insight: visual impairment does not indicate cognitive limitation. Always presume competence and provide accessible pathways to learning. Ensure full academic access through multiple modalities, all textbooks, worksheets, and handouts in braille or audio format. Screen readers and voice output devices for digital learning. Tactile or 3D models for STEM subjects. Assistive software for writing, calculations, and reading. Example activity: 3D geometry exploration. Student explores tactile 3D models to understand shapes. Navigation and personal safety are critical. Teach and reinforce white cane skills and safe mobility techniques. Pre-walk new areas before classroom or lab use. Use tactile and auditory markers in hallways and learning spaces. Provide trained staff for supervision when necessary. Example activity: guided corridor walk. Student practices moving independently using tactile markers. Learning requires alternative formats and individualized instruction, audio lessons, braille worksheets, and verbal instructions. Use assistive technology for reading, writing, and math. Provide tactile or auditory feedback for experiments and lab work. Break tasks into small, manageable steps. Example activity: audio science lab. Student conducts experiment with verbal guidance and tactile supports. Profound blindness can impact social participation and confidence. Teach self-advocacy. I need guidance, or please read aloud. Encourage peer buddy systems and inclusive group activities. Celebrate achievements, no matter how small. Include student in decision-making for activities and accessibility needs. Maximize independence and safety. Use braille or audio for all lessons and materials. Provide screen reader-compatible digital content. Reduce visual reliance in instructions. Give explicit verbal guidance. Allow extra time for transitions, assignments, and tests. Provide orientation for labs, PE, and field activities. Example activity: accessible group project. Student contributes using braille notes and audio responses. Assessments must be fully accessible: braille, audio, or digital exams. Allow oral responses when feasible. Provide extra time and safe, comfortable settings. Use assistive tech for calculations, writing, and reading. Consistency between school, home, and therapy teams enhances progress. Share accessible materials and strategies with parents. Maintain weekly progress updates and collaborative meetings. Reinforce mobility, orientation, and assistive technology use at home. Students with profound blindness can thrive academically, socially, and emotionally with structured support, assistive technology, and inclusive practices. Empowering them with access, skills, and confidence fosters independence and success.